Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 6th of September 2020 question number 3. There are 3 families in which 2 families has 3 member and third family has 4 member. They are arranged in a line, then probability that the member of same family are together in 4 options are given. This is the question in the house of probability, and it's a memory based question. At first we should write down the total number of members. So 2 families has 3 members. Okay, so 2 into 3, and the third family has 4 members. So the total number is 10 here, and we should take factorial of this. So it is 10 factorial. So now the favorable case is factorial 3 member, then factorial into factorial 3, and into factorial 3, and factorial 4. As the each of them the family is 3 members, and each of the so 3 3 3, and it is factorial 4. Now the probability is equal to factorial 3 into factorial 3 into factorial 3 into factorial 4 divide factorial 10. So here we get factorial 3 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 into leave factorial 4 and break the factorial, so it become 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4. So factorial 4 and factorial 4 is cancelled off, 6 and 6 is cancelled off, and it is cancelled by 5, and it is 3. So here we get 4, and the remaining one is it is now 3 is cancelled by 9 and 3. So here we get 24 into 5. So in numerator it is 1, and here we get 5 into 5 into 4 into 7. So it is 700, 1 by 700. So here we get, this is our required answer, and the option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution. Now some information about probability. So just learn with me something about probability. We everybody know probability is vast chapter, but in today's lesson I just mention you some important parts. That is, let's suppose here is the if we know better set, then probability is easy to you. Here is a set, suppose it is A and it is B. So this part is common here. Let think it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, and this space we know it is sample space, it is 4. So it is sample space and mentioned as 4 in the figure. So at first that when we take n A union B, let's suppose n A union B. So n A union B is what? At least A or B or both A and B. Okay. So A union B is, we know, 1 plus 2 plus 3, as it is at least A or B or both AB. So both AB is 2 here, or at least A or B is 1 or 3. So it is plus. Now A is equal to what? Now we know in the picture A is equal to 1 plus 2, and B is equal to what? B is equal to 2 plus 3. So here we get 1 plus 2 plus 3. Is the concept clear? What is A union B and n A union B? Now if what is A intersection B? Now remove this one and think what is A intersection B. At we know A intersection. Now 1, 2 and 3. So just write down. 1 is what? 1 is n of A, NA, plus 2 is what? NB, and 3 is what? So it is A union B. So it is 3. 3 is what? 3 is minus of. So it is 3 is minus of n A intersection B. As because why minus? As it is B is for the 3 is the subtracted part of 3 minus 2. So we write down it is 3 minus 2. So n A intersection B. Now we just divide everything. Now we divide everything as it is. I just mention what is A and what is B. Now divide whole the space, whole the set. So it is NS. NS is the number of element of total case. So dividing this one, n A factor A union B, divide n of S is equal to NS is what? Number of element in total case. So n of A divide NS plus n of B, n of B divide NS, and it is minus n A intersection B. Intersection A intersection B is the this part. So in intersection B by n of S. Now we get the probability. So it means probability of A union B. It is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So how a set become a probability? A set formula become a probability formula. So I think the concept is clear to everybody. So now move on. What is now one thing? If you take complement as just look at the picture, and it is P A complement intersection B. So we know P complement is A complement is what? A complement means leave one and other all options in the set. So leave one. So 1 and 2 which is in the set A. So 1 and 2 leave, and then others one is 3 and 4. And P of B is what? P of B is all the elements of B. So it is 2 and 3. So it is 2 and 3. So this become this one, and when we take intersection, so intersection means this is the common elements of these two sets. So it is 3, only 3. So it become common, intersection means and, so it is common, so it is 3 only. So it become what? PB, all the elements of B minus what? PA intersection B. Is it clear? Because A intersection B is the common part, so PB is in on the 3. It is 3 and minus of this is the common part. So this formula becomes from the set PA complement intersection B is equal to PB minus PA intersection B. Now another formula. Now another one is another is very important formula is PA complement union B bar. So it is what? A bar means leave every element which is not in A. So it is 3 or 4. So this become A bar means 3 and 4, and B bar means leave all the elements which is on the B. So it is 3 and 2. So 3, if you leave 3 and 2, so we get 1, 4. So 1, 4. Now this is what? This is A complement A bar union B bar. So it is whole the space, whole the elements in the set. So it is PS minus. Now just write down A. It is A, union. So union means 1 plus 3 plus 4. So what we left? That is 2. 2 is our common region. So 2 is, we write down, it is PS minus PA intersection B. As we know, it is the intersection. So here we get another formula of probability from the set. So here is the whole solution and some important formula of probability. Any question, any query about this video, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.